Let's meet our founder and mastermind of our project Force, MetaForce, Lado Охотников.
Hello, friends.
Hi, Lado.
How are you? Let's begin.
What's the estimated time for launch of the Force coin in the global market?
The release of the coin to the global market is expected in about 3 or 4 months after the launch of the main Force program, which we are currently targeting at the beginning of July now. These 3 or 4 months will already be the growth of the coin because it is embedded in the deca halving, how we called it, deca halving algorithm in the smart contract. And the coin will grow even before entering the market. Let me clarify that the launch of the coin issue will be simultaneous with the launch of the Force program. That is in near July. While the issuance will take place through the Force marketing program, it is impossible to simultaneously release it to the open market. But this will be the best time to invest in the coin.
What is the approximate circulation supply of the coin after its launch?
Nobody can know how much. Nobody's sure because we allocate only a bounded maximum limit for each task. Immediately after the task is completed, the remainder is burned, so the numbers will be lower than indicated. The maximum issue is 585 million. This is the total number. Most of it is issued through marketing IDOs. Additionally, there will be no more coin emission, so it will most likely be less than 500 million. About that.
Will there be burning of the coins from time to time, just like BNB coin?
Yes, coin burning is intended until we reveal the algorithm. But this mechanism will also be among others, which are designed to strengthen the coin for its long-term growth.
What are the main constituents of the Force Metaverse?
I'll tell you what. To be clear, I will say that there will be a play-to-earn game. But in general, there will be a lot of components. The classic and boost programs will also be inside the metaverse. In fact, everything that is currently as offers, all the metaverses are still in its infancy, all metaverse you saw before. Therefore, so far in practice, you have not seen what we are going to now, to the creation of a true metaverse, covering everything in general. The virtuality meets the reality, that is concept. In particular, we intend to interact with other metaverses because one of the ideas is precisely that there should be such a possibility of transition between worlds.
The Force Academy, will it be allowed for only participants of the Force project, or is it allowed for everyone, including those who are not participants?
The Academy is one of the products. There will be many products, and Academy one of them. There will be both free access materials and paid materials. Participants of the classic program will have the opportunity to purchase paid materials for activating the levels of the matrix. In addition, participants will be able to sell materials to other people.
Will all the products of the Force be fully in operation by the end of this year?
Not all. We will have a lot of new things coming out and attracting new people for several years, for many years. And we're not going to stop. But before the end of this year, a lot of our products will be released. So not all, but many products.
Will the Force coin be the coin with volatility or stable coin?
Our coin is not a stable coin, of course. A stable coin, it is another mechanism. We're using very strong tokenomics to do everything organic and step by step to make a very big capitalization and keep it from problems like right now, for example, you see what is happening with crypto, and I think that we are ready for everything, for anything on the market, for good times and hard times like right now. But it is not stablecoin because, it is not stable because stablecoin, it is a very, very different thing. It is not like crypto that can grow.
Will there be in the near future like physical international conferences of force global leaders?
Yes, such meetings are necessary. Right now, I want to start scheduling, and I give a hint to the leaders of different countries. Maybe one of you will want to attract me to your city. For this, I want to see an active, involved team and the high quality organization of the event. So I'm going to do it very soon.
In the near future, will Lado's team agree to train those who are willing to venture into smart contract development and integration?
Interesting request. Perhaps this is a good idea for the academy. Why not? And we are also looking for talents. We will need new capable people who will replenish our team in order to continue to create together. So I didn't understand, this means for in academy, something like that, or in our team. But I answered in both questions, I think.
What is the recommended strategy that is built for a team in new program?
We will separately consider in detail several strategies. It is a very important task, a very important thing. Regarding the minimum numbers of slot levels at the start, it is a very popular question. I will give you such a hint. We have abounded the usual ID number, which has too many disadvantages. By default, each new participant will just have a character set instead of an ID. We will give the opportunity to change these characters and symbols by choosing a nickname. But so that someone does not start limitless booking good names, we set a condition. To create a nickname that will be your ID, you must have at least 5 active slot levels in the classic program. In the Boost and Force program, at least 3 levels. So this is target for start strategy, if you mean this.
What is the strongest reason Mr. Lado created a coin force? Why don't you use a crypto that is already circulating in the market, such as when the Force Boost was launched, the fundamentals of which are clear? Creating a new coin is very risky. We know a lot of crypto that appears and eventually sinks. I hope this project runs and is successful for all of us.
Right. But not only different crypto appears and disappears. Any projects can come and go. Any business is a risk if you look at the statistics. Most of the projects came to the market for a short time because there is nothing behind most projects. MetaForce is an entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. I talked about plans to create in back in 2020. I think maybe some of you remember it. I worked on it for a long time, and I intend to continue to work hard, attracting the best people to the team. Everything is interconnected here in MetaForce. Our coin is not a whim. It is a necessity. It is the heart and blood of the system that will circulate through it and nourish it with useful elements. Force Tokenomics does not copy others. We took the best of the proven and supplemented with what no one else has before us. We bring something new to the cryptocurrency world that was not there before us. Therefore, our crypto is needed and will be one of the top, I'm sure.
Will there be a special notification program like BUSD Force Bot, just in case we will be aware of the bonuses that comes to our wallet?
Yes, there will be all the necessary tools, including a bot notifier. I think this is a very simple question and very simple answer. Yes.